So the subjects in Year 11 and Year 12 are the same. They are suggested by SACE as a joined course. So in Year 11, the subjects are specialist mathematics, mathematical methods, general mathematics, essential mathematics, and these 4 courses are also offered in Year 12. So the knowledge that you learn in Stage 1, that is Year 11, are the things that you are going to be assuming and building upon in Year 12. So people often get confused between the 4 different subject areas. So I'm just going to go ahead and explain the main differences between the 4. So with essential mathematics, this is the type of mathematics that you should be studying if you're thinking of going into a practical pathway. So things like trade, working with your hands, and that's because a lot of the stuff in there is super practical. So things like measurement and things like that. General mathematics is probably the broadest kind of mathematics. So it's super applied. So it can lead into all sorts of things because the types of things that are covered are things like finance, being able to understand and analyze statistics, and things like that. So super broad and gives you a really good basis for a lot of different things. Mathematical methods and specialist mathematics are geared much more towards the engineering. So both of these courses are very heavily algebra based, very heavily calculus based, and both of these courses have 6 tests and 1 direct investigation with 1 exam at the end of the year. Essential mathematics has 3 direct investigations and 3 tests with an exam at the end of the year, and general mathematics has 2 investigations and 4 tests and an exam at the end of the year. So in terms of where do these lead to, methods and specialist really lead into engineering pathways or data analyst pathways. So if you're looking at the uni courses and things like that, you can go ahead and study mathematics in more detail, which can lead to things like cryptography, coding. It can also lead to engineering, so construction, aerospace, physics, all that kind of stuff. With general mathematics, as I said before, because it's such a broad base, the applications for this are quite wide, but a lot of people who use statistics and finance would probably find this quite useful. And as I said before, essential mathematics really leads to those really applied kind of areas in mathematics. If I was going to give one piece of advice regarding thinking about what you want to study in Year 11 and 12, it would just be thinking about what is your end pathway. It's really hard to go up a course rather than down a course, so always aim higher than you think you will need. And just think about how much work you're going to have to do. It is quite abstract sometimes. It's doable, but you just have to think about how much time you want to spend on the on your choice of subject.